Hello friends, in normal like the blogs you can see like when people are reading your blog articles they can share on the social media, like they can find some sharing options. So how you can enable in your WordPress blog or website? So for this you will install a new plugin, and the plugin name you will write here without the space, add this, type add this, and here you can see WordPress share buttons plugin, add this. So install now. This is by the add this team. So install this one, and it has more than 100,000 active installations. Activate. Just after activation, if you check, if you refresh your page or a post, you can see it will not appear. So you will have to click on the add this and then click share buttons, and here now you will find something add new. So you can find like sidebar, inline or custom HTML. Like inline, if you want to add, so type the name of the buttons like share buttons, and share counter automatic recommended like 3, or you can select your own, like if you want Facebook, Twitter, email, Pinterest, add this. Like here people will find more options. I will remove, I will add for example LinkedIn also. So LinkedIn we can add. So you can see we can't move this one, so add this. I will again add. So if you want to add even more, like there you can see different social networking, social media platforms, which one you want to add you can add. And for example like blogger, so we can add blogger, add this, so add this. This will appear now. Position where it should appear, not in the home page, in blog post above the content or below the content, in pages also, on pages, above the content or below the content, in category or archive we will remove, and design is like modern, responsive, and buttons like large. So if you publish this one and now refresh, you can see below the content sharing buttons will appear, so people can share like this: Facebook, Twitter, email, Pinterest, LinkedIn, blogger, and in more they will find more options, like for example Reddit, so they can also share on Reddit. If you added the share buttons, like in design you can find like more options. For example, you want medium buttons, so you can also select medium buttons, and here you can see like these are the medium buttons, so something like this. And if you want to add new, like sidebar, so select this one and this one, like sidebar, and general position like on desktop left, in mobile like bottom, and automatic recommended, or you can select your own as I did. Design like modern, large, transparent, and templates like home page, everywhere it will appear. Publish, and if you refresh the page now, you can see in the desktop on the left side we can find these options. In mobile devices, in bottom this will appear. So like this we can add share buttons in our WordPress blog or website. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please share the video with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and also tell me your comments, feedback about the video. Thank you very much once again.